Are you listening to me?
Sorry, what did you say? I did not hear you.
I said, are you listening to me?
And there it is. 2 sentences, 2 verbs, listening and hear. Both about sound, both about ears, and yet completely different because I was not listening, which was my choice, and I did not hear, which was not my choice at all.
Choice. That is the whole difference. And that one idea, choice versus no choice, is going to make everything about hear and listen completely clear. Forever.
Welcome to TalkFluent. I am Nora.
I am Kamal. Hear versus listen. 10 minutes. All levels. Every example real. Let us go.
Before the rule, before anything, just feel these 2 sentences.
I heard something outside.
I listened to something outside.
Different. Completely different. In the first, something arrived in my ears without me trying. A sound appeared. I had no plan to receive it. It just came. I heard it.
In the second, I made a decision. I turned my attention towards something. I focused. I chose to receive it. I listened.
Here, passive, automatic, no effort, no intention. The sound comes to you.
Listen, active, deliberate, focused. You go to the sound.
Passive, hear, active, listen. That is the golden rule. Everything else grows from these two words.
Let's start with hear, the passive verb, the one that happens to you.
Hear is involuntary. You do not decide to hear something, it simply happens. You're walking down a street, a car horn sounds, you hear it. You did not choose to. You did not focus. It arrived.
I heard a noise in the middle of the night. Something woke me up. I was not trying to hear anything. I was asleep, but the sound reached me. Here.
Did you hear that? A sudden sound just happened. We are both present. Did it reach you too? Passive, involuntary. Did you hear that?
I could not hear anything over the music. The music was too loud. Hearing was blocked, not by choice, but by circumstance. Could not hear.
I heard her come in. She arrived, the sound of the door, her footsteps, reached me without me focusing on them. Passive, automatic. Heard her come in.
Hear is also used for receiving news or information. Something reaches you, again, without active effort.
Have you heard the news? The news arrived somewhere. Did it reach you? Did it come to you? Have you heard?
I heard that they are moving to a new city. The information came to me through someone, through conversation, through the world around me. I received it, heard.
I haven't heard from her in weeks. Contact, communication has not arrived, has not come to me. Haven't heard from.
Notice, hear from someone means to receive communication from them, a message, a call, a letter, something coming towards you. I heard from him yesterday. He called, he made contact. His communication reached me.
And one more important structure with hear. Hear plus someone plus verb without to.
I heard him leave. Not I heard him to leave, just I heard him leave. The sound of his leaving reached me passively. Heard him leave.
I heard her singing in the kitchen. The sound arrived. I did not seek it. I did not focus on it. It simply came. Heard her singing.
Now listen, the active verb, the one you choose.
Listen is deliberate, intentional. You decide to give your attention to a sound. You focus your ears, your mind, your whole self towards something. It requires effort. It requires a choice.
I love listening to music when I cook. A deliberate, enjoyable activity. I choose it. I focus on it. I give it my attention. Listening to.
Can you please listen to me? I'm asking for your attention, your focus, your deliberate choice to receive what I'm saying. Listen to me.
She is a really good listener. She gives people her full attention. She focuses. She chooses to truly receive what someone is saying. A good listener.
I listened to the whole podcast twice. Twice. Deliberate, focused, active, chosen, listened to.
Notice, listen almost always needs to. Listen to music, listen to the radio, listen to someone, listen to a podcast. The two connects the active attention to its object.
The only time listen appears without to is when it's used as a command or an attention grabber.
Listen, this is important. Just listen. The word alone as an instruction, as a way of calling someone's attention. No to, just listen.
Listen carefully. The doctor is going to explain everything now. An instruction, a command. Focus, pay attention, listen.
And the difference between a good listener and someone who simply hears, that difference is everything in real human communication. You can hear every word someone says and understand none of it because you were not listening.
Your ears were open, but your attention was somewhere else entirely.
The full natural conversation. Two friends, a kitchen, a Sunday morning. Everything in this conversation is real and deliberate. Listen for every hear and listen and feel why.
You seem quiet this morning. Everything okay?
Sorry, I had the strangest night. I kept hearing noises, like something moving around downstairs. I must have woken up 4 times.
Did you go and check?
I listened from the top of the stairs for about 5 minutes. Nothing. Complete silence. But the moment I got back into bed, I heard it again. This low sort of scraping sound.
That would terrify me. Have you heard anything like that before in this house?
Never. I've been here 3 years and I've never heard anything like it. Anyway, I finally fell asleep around 4. And then I heard my neighbor's alarm going off at 6, which on a Sunday should be illegal.
I've been meaning to talk to you about something. I heard something at work this week about the reorganization.
Tell me.
I was listening to a conversation I probably wasn't supposed to hear. Two managers in the corridor outside my office. I wasn't trying to listen. I just heard my name and then I couldn't stop listening.
What did they say?
Listen, I'm not sure I should repeat it, but I think you need to know. Now let us break every single example down.
I kept hearing noises, involuntary, repeated, passive. The sounds arrived in the night without any choice. Hearing.
I listened from the top of the stairs. Deliberate, active, focused. She chose to direct her full attention downward. Listened.
I heard it again. Passive, involuntary. The sound returned and reached her. Heard.
Have you heard anything like that before? Receive, passive experience. Have sounds like this come to you before? Heard.
I have never heard anything like it. Passive experience over 3 years. Sounds of that kind never reached her. Never heard.
I heard my neighbor's alarm. Involuntary, passive. The alarm reached her ears without choice. Heard.
I heard something at work. Information arrived passively, reached in through the environment. Heard something.
I was listening to a conversation. Deliberate, active, focused attention given to what two people were saying, listening to.
I probably was not supposed to hear. Passive reception of something not intended for him. The sound arrived. Hear.
I just heard my name. Involuntary trigger. His name arrived in his ears without focus or intention. Heard.
I could not stop listening. Once triggered, he made an active, sustained choice to focus. Could not stop listening.
Listen. I am not sure I should repeat it. Used as an attention command, not to. Just listen. Focus on what I am about to say.
12 examples, 1 conversation. Every single one intentional. Every single one real.
The most common mistakes. Fixed right now.
I was listening a strange noise last night. Wrong. Listen means to. I was listening to a strange noise. Or better, I heard a strange noise last night. Because a noise arriving unexpectedly in the night is passive. Heard.
Did you listen that? Wrong. A sudden, unexpected sound. Passive. Involuntary. Did you hear that? Hear, not listen.
I hear music every morning when I get ready. Said about music you actively enjoy and choose. If you choose it, I listen to music every morning. If it simply plays in the background and reaches you, I hear music every morning. Context decides, but the active enjoyment of music is listened to.
She listens very well. Said about someone who is good at receiving information in conversation. Actually correct. A good listener, someone who actively pays attention. She listens very well is natural.
He did not listen me. Wrong. Listen always needs to with an object. He did not listen to me. To, always.
Quick practice. 5 situations. Choose hear or listen. Say the answer out loud.
You are walking past a cafe and beautiful music drifts out through the open door. It reaches you without any effort. You blank the music. Heard. You heard the music. Passive, involuntary. It came to you.
You put your headphones on and press play on your favorite album. You are giving it your full attention. You blank to music every evening to relax. Listen. You listen to music every evening. Active, deliberate, chosen.
Someone calls your name across a busy, noisy street. You stop. You turn. Did you blank that? Hear. Did you hear that? A sound arrived. Passive, involuntary.
Your friend is telling you something important and you keep looking at your phone. They say, please blank to me. Listen. Please listen to me. Active attention requested. Deliberate focus needed.
A colleague mentions some news about a project you're working on. You say, I blank something about that yesterday. Heard. I heard something about that. Information arrived passively, through conversation, through the environment. Heard something.
5 situations, 5 correct answers. The rule? Passive arrival, hear. Active focused choice, listen.
Final summary, clean and clear.
Hear, passive. Involuntary, the sound comes to you without effort or intention. Used for sounds that arrive, news and information received, and contact from someone. I heard a noise. Have you heard the news? I have not heard from her. I heard him leave.
Listen, active, deliberate. You choose to focus your attention on a sound, almost always followed by to with an object, used as a command without to. I listen to music. She's a good listener. Listen, this is important. Listen to me.
The golden rule. Passive arrival, hear. Active focused choice, listen.
2 golden sentences, out loud, right now.
I heard something in the conversation that I wasn't expecting, and I'm glad I was listening carefully enough to catch it.
There's a difference between hearing someone and actually listening to them, and most people only ever do the first one.
One more time.
I heard something in the conversation that I wasn't expecting, and I'm glad I was listening carefully enough to catch it.
There's a difference between hearing someone and actually listening to them, and most people only ever do the first one.
Hear and listen, 2 verbs, 1 ear, 2 completely different relationships with sound.
Hear, the sound finds you. Listen, you find the sound.
And in real life, in real relationships, in real conversations, the people who truly listen, not just hear, those are the people everyone wants to talk to.
Write a comment below. Tell us, are you a good listener? Or do you hear people but not always listen? Be honest, we read every single comment, and we genuinely want to know.
I'm Kamal.
I'm Nora.
This is TalkFluent. Keep listening, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next one.